Hey everyone, welcome back to the VicTech channel. Those of you who have visited before, welcome back. And those of you that are new, thanks for watching. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a brief quick review on two items that I just got. One of them was a gift, which is the big box, and the second one I purchased myself. The second one is the Auxbeam T10 bulbs. Now, I needed to get a few T10 bulbs to replace on my license plates and some interior bulbs that needed to be replaced. Don't like the incandescent look, that amberish look. Back in the day, it used to be fine, but now technology has progressed and advanced, and the pure bright white is what everyone wants, or the cool blue white. Either way, I'm going to show you what these look like. I'm going to tell you my initial review, and then I'm going to go on and unbox the other box, which was the gift. These are actually headlights, and these are also Auxbeam. So I'll start unboxing now. Now, these are going to replace these. These actually, I had them in as my parking lights and license plate lights, and I did notice that one of these diodes started flashing. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with a lot of systems require that you have a CAN bus. Some people on different cars have reported an error on their screen, either on their radio or on their dash, or they'll get a check engine light. I never experienced that, and I tried these on two different cars. When I bought these initially, I bought two different types. I bought these, and I don't have the other one now, but that had a whole bunch of like two LEDs here, two LEDs here, two LEDs here, and so on and so forth. So these are going to be replaced with these. Now, when I seen these on the internet, on Amazon, I said to myself, wow, these are flat. Are these only one-sided? But it turns out that they are not. You can't really see it on the description of the website, but these are double-sided. And when they do bright. When they light up, the brightness covers 360 degrees. So it's the same as if you had this on there. And just to give you an idea of what they look like, what the size is, this is what. There you go. See? And if you compare it to an incandescent, which I'm going to go grab, it's almost the same size. So the fitment should be fine if you're going to replace a regular T10. Now, I went back and I got the incandescent and the other type of T10 that I was describing. And as you can see, this one is a little bit longer, has more LEDs, and I've seen these burn out too because they do run hot. The only issue that I've had with these is that they do run hot. They don't run as hot as the traditional T10 incandescent bulbs, but they do run hot. And I guess maybe in the summer or whenever if they're in an area where they don't get enough ventilation, they'll probably heat up and burn out. So in comparison to a T10, here we go. Let's do this. This is the incandescent. These are the two LEDs. And these are either from Amazon or eBay. Some of them have lasted long enough. Some of them are still running strong, but some of them are, like I said, some of these bulbs are burnt out and flickering and blinking. So, and then this is the Auxbeam. These are the Auxbeams. Let me see what model exactly these are. They give you a 1-year warranty. It says, please contact Auxbeam if any problems arise. I've heard on the internet, I read a lot of posts that Auxbeam does not have great customer service. I hope I don't have to call. And being that these were so cheap on Amazon, so I don't think I would bother. If I can get a year use without any issues, that'll be great. So this is my pre review, and this is not bad. Look at the size. It's actually just maybe 1 or 2 centimeters. I'm not gonna get technical and start measuring, but if you look at this, you know, and they fit it, like I said, they fit in there, and they go, and they do, the brightness does cover 360, and it's way much better than the incandescent and much brighter than these. I'll have a video later on, a part 2 to this video showing the brightness. But if any of you are interested in getting these, I would tell you right now, so far I'm happy with the light output, I'm happy with the size, and I'm happy, you know, I'm really satisfied with the heat that's generated. It's not as much as these get warm to the touch, if not hot. You know, like I said, I'm not gonna get technical and start measuring one of those laser thermometers, but definitely much cooler than the incandescent, where when I was removing them, I had them powered on, and I had to use a microfiber cloth to pull them off because it was really hot. And these, you can hold on to them and you won't burn yourself. So there you have it. That's the preview. This is the pre-review and unboxing of these lights. Now I'm gonna unbox this one, which is also an Auxbeam. This one was a gift, and these are actually H11s headlights, LEDs, to replace a stock incandescent bulb on my vehicle as well. I'm just gonna unbox it really quick. You can see that Auxbeam they use these Halloween black and orange colors. Interesting. So here we go. These are the F16s. They've gotten some good reviews. They have a lot of, you know, good ratings on Amazon. A lot of people have posted videos on these. Let me see if I can get a better shot of this. Hold on. And here it is. It's the F16 H11s. And these are LEDs. This is what the box looks like. It's sealed, obviously. Never been opened. I think these replace, there's a lot of models. There's the FS3, FS2s. FS2s I think is 10 bucks cheaper than these. Not sure, you know, the one thing is, a lot of people have mentioned what the light output is. The beam, the cutoff might be different. And this is for Auxbeam only. For Auxbeam only. Interesting. So it's extremely bright, pure white, 6000K as sunlight. That's a pretty bold claim. 50,000 hours without color fading. That's, if you don't use them all the time, if these are not daytime running lights, or, you know, they should last longer. If you can get a couple of years, 5, 6, 7 years without them burning out, because I know a lot of these LED lights, I've read on the forums, different forums, and I've seen YouTube videos where they said some of them 2 or 3 months they're out. Some of them say, you know, dead on arrival, DOA, dead on arrival. So I'm gonna open these up, and let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, you got an Auxbeam sticker. Two actually. I don't think, you gotta be a geek to put these on your car. Unless they pay me, or they send these for free. These were a gift, but not from Auxbeam. And here you have all of the, I guess the vehicle. It says for vehicle exclusive, and it tells you what, you know, I'll read that later. Manual, what they look like. And then let's look at the bulbs themselves. Here we go. There they are. These are Series F16. I guess these are little ballasts. It says 12.24 volts. Model H11 F. It says, oh, H11 and H8. Okay, and it has a 7702 on there, if that helps anyone. And then here they are. So these, you know, you're supposed to twist your old halogen bulbs and then twist these back in. And then instead of plugging the harness to your car to the bulb directly. This has like I guess a little ballast, and then you connect your harness to this plug right here. One thing to make sure for anyone, there's a lot of videos out there. I don't want to be repetitive, but make sure that you have the clearance, because some cars have just enough space that the way the halogen is designed is the plug is downward, so you can just snap it on, and there's really not a lot of space between the bulb and whatever, maybe it's the air box or what have you. So just make sure that you have enough clearance, because you'll be wasting your time if you try to put these in there and you can't, or you have to remove the whole assembly and then wedge it in there. This has a fan. These feel really sturdy. These are aluminum. Even the ballast is aluminum, I guess, for cooling purposes. So there you have it. I'll post a review of the light output and what my take is on these bulbs. And hey, you know what? They were a gift, so I'm not going to complain. And if they die, I'll try to claim the warranty. Keep the halogens handy just in case. But I'll follow up with a video. So thanks for watching. These are the Auxbeams F16 H11s. And these are the Auxbeam T10 bulbs. I'll put a description. This is the part number. I'll put a description and the links below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the full-blown review on both these products.